How to pay for home remodeling. When you need money fast for home repairs, you may wonder how to pay for home remodeling. The good news is that there are several ways to get the money you need. You can get a credit card that offers an interest-free period up to 12 or more months. While credit cards are the cheapest way to finance low-dollar home remodeling projects, you must be sure you will pay off the balance before interest charges mount. Another option for emergency home repairs is a personal loan. Many personal loan lenders can provide same-day financing, even though traditional loans typically take up to weeks. Source: Hold Flip Home Remodeling. You might wonder how you can pay when you remodel your house. Fortunately, you're not alone. Many homeowners have had to deal with financial difficulties and are now wondering how to pay for home remodeling. These are some helpful tips. Budget for costs, but not too much. You can avoid getting into debt by sticking to a budget that allows you to fully pay for the renovation. You might consider credit cards. Credit cards have high interest rates and can be used for smaller renovations. A home equity loan may be a better option if your project involves large renovations. This loan is best for large projects such as adding on pools, driveways and siding. You can get a loan with a low interest rate and repay it within a few years. I must repay the loan before the term expires. You'll also need enough funds to complete the project. How do you remodel your house? It is important to plan how to fund a home remodel. Home remodeling is an expensive process, but it still needs money to get the job done. It's the lifeblood of the entire process, whether it's as a down payment, a final payment, or any unexpected expenses. There are three options for financing your renovation: liquid assets, sweat equity, and home equity. A mortgage refinance is an easy way to fund a renovation project. You can increase your cost by as much as 20% if you are planning on doing the work yourself. To finance your renovation, you can apply for renovation loans. This is a popular option for homeowners who can receive 0% interest over a one-year period using their credit card. However, you may not find a credit card with this 0% interest rate for remodeling. How to remodel your home. You're likely wondering where to start if you are thinking of remodeling your house. There are many things to take into consideration. Many are simple to complete on your own while others require professional assistance. Before you start, there are some things that you should do. You must first decide what rooms you want to remodel. Is it for beauty, safety, accessibility, or both? One of the most important parts of planning a home remodeling project is to know exactly how much money you have to spend. Although you do not have to completely remodel your house, it is important to set aside enough funds to fund the work. Keep to your budget. Remember that the costs will be different from what was originally planned. To help you avoid overspending, create a detailed list of what you want to include in your remodeling. How much does home remodeling cost? Before you decide to remodel your house, you'll need to figure out how much it will cost. You'll have to choose what you want, regardless of whether you're renovating a bathroom or a kitchen. Websites like Home Advisor can help you get a rough estimate. You may also compare the prices. But be sure to add in any unforeseen expenses that could come up. They can cost anywhere from hundreds of dollars to thousands. Some renovations are high-end, while others are more modest. If you want to add the latest appliances and HVAC, for example, your budget could skyrocket. These types of projects can take up a lot of time and cost a lot in materials. Your budget will determine the type and amount of remodeling you do. Keep in mind, however, that even the most basic renovation can be costly. You can then choose to either add a roof or change the structure. Dallas, Texas home remodeling. When remodeling your home, you need to decide what payment method will be used. Although home renovations in Texas are expensive, they have many benefits. If done well, a renovation will increase the property's value and your standard of living. Here are some tips to help you plan and pay for your home improvement project. Before hiring a contractor, ask them how they charge. Ask them if they are charging per job or hourly. And how long will the project take? After you have established a budget, it's time to consult a contractor. Professional contractors will have you answer many questions, and they will visit you to view your home. The contractor will discuss your costs and make suggestions to fit your budget. Although you might need to negotiate about the costs of specific materials, it is possible to get your contractor to change the house. Important links: insurance claims, restoration services, home remodeling, roofing, solar installation, water and storm damage.